In the last nuggets, we noted that the atmosphere has many layers and that the temperatures indicated by the ziggy red line can radically go up and down in these layers. But our primary interest at this point is in the bottom two layers, the troposphere of our churning weather, and the stratosphere, the smooth layer just above it. In this nugget, we'll focus only on the troposphere, where the temperature is hotter down at the surface and cools as we go higher. Next time, we'll sort out why the stratosphere does the opposite and gets warmer as you go up. The behavior of these two layers drives our weather and our climates. This nugget today focuses on a natural phenomenon, and which we can readily see as we look around, which comes from the sun directly heating the surface. I'm talking about the fact that our tripping weather of the troposphere is a specific result of heating from the bottom, rather than the sun warming the air itself. It's so obvious, but it didn't have to be that way. It is quite analogous to a pot of boiling water. The water is heated from the bottom, breaks free, and rises to the surface. Here's how it works. The sun's light, for the most part, can pass through the atmosphere freely. While the sun's rays may be a bit dimmer when they pass through a lot of air at sunrise, they have no trouble getting through the atmosphere for most of the day. Don't stare at the sun and be careful not to get sunburned. Both come from the sun's light getting through the atmosphere directly to the surface. So, most of the sunlight readily passes through the atmosphere and directly heats the ground, or us. The ground then heats the air because they are in direct contact. The warmer air at the surface rises because it expands a bit and is now less dense than it was. To prevent a vacuum, other air rushes in to replace it. We saw this near the equator as the line of storms rises in that region. Heated air rose to the top of the troposphere and was replaced by winds along the surface. Nature won't let a vacuum occur. This all results in that churning that earned our layer of weather the title of troposphere. So for this nugget, we'll stop here with this takeaway. The surging and overturning weather of our troposphere is the result of the fact that, unless it blocked by clouds, most of the sun's heat goes right through the air and heats the surface directly. This fact will have broad impact as we study our planet's climates and how greenhouse gases bring even more heat down to the surface. Tune in next time to see how things are so very different in the next layer up, the stratosphere. The stratosphere provides the lid over our weather and is the home of the famous ozone layer, which also is important. Thanks for joining us in this climate series. Each nugget is designed to nail down something in the science in a way that is clarifying for everyday experiences. And do take advantage of the fact that the nuggets are best enjoyed in the numbered sequence. Subscribe so you can be notified of each new installment. Thanks.